Introducing Artist Marker's Colorless Blender from Altenew. Our Colorless Blender Marker contains a clear, alcohol-based solution. It can be used to blend our artist markers, erase mistakes, or add highlights to colored images. Just like our color artist markers, one end of the Colorless Blender has a fine tip and the other end has a brush tip. These tips will allow you to cover the largest area or even the tiniest detailed area of your projects. Use it alone on a already colored project for a highlighted look, or use it with other markers for a soft, blended look. To find out more about the Colorless Blender and fresh inspirations using this product, please visit us at altenew.com.